Top 5 Tech Stocks to Buy on 2021. Tech stocks are providing investors with enormous opportunities to grow. Tech stocks include research, creation, and distribution of tech-based products and services. Investing in the tech sector stocks always comes with a risk, but the current movements of the global tech market have investors looking to invest in top tech stocks for easy and quick returns. The increasing use of artificial intelligence, software as a service, SaaS technologies, and others has led to a massive increase in tech values. Analytics Insight provides a list of the top 5 tech stocks, according to Yahoo Finance. Alibaba Group Holding Limited. Price today, $228.50 market cap, $619.81 billion. Alibaba has been reigning as one of the top tech stocks for the past few weeks. The company's recent launch of its Cloud OS, which is compatible with multiple chip architectures, has been gaining swift popularity in the tech space. Alibaba Cloud is one of the fastest growing businesses in the Chinese e-commerce system. Apple Inc. Price today, $133.11 market cap, $2,221.29 billion. The company has witnessed continued growth in its stock value since 2020. With the launch of the iPhone 12, last fall, Apple has constantly remained at the top. Market analysts today predict that this might not be the case in 2021. Nevertheless, Apple's keynote address at the Worldwide Developers Conference claims that despite all the hurdles, the company is growing and will continue to grow in the coming years. Microsoft Corporation, price today, $265.02 market cap, $1,996.02 billion. Recently, at a virtual event, Microsoft launched Windows 11, with several big changes in its long-standing operating system. Microsoft has been one of the top tech companies, and its recent developments and innovations in the field of healthcare, agriculture, and sustainability have enabled the company to maintain its position and is also attracting new customers to the tech stocks market. Com Inc. Price today, $3,401.46 market cap, $1,715.44 billion. Of the top 5, Amazon is one of the most expensive stocks investors can buy. Recently, the company has an event, in support of the latest disruption caused by the pandemic in the economic market and to support the local economy. The event witnessed the participation of thousands of manufacturers from both large and small-scale organizations, which benefited several artisans and weavers working for the different companies. Tesla. Price today, $671.87 market cap, $647.23 billion. Tesla has been at the forefront of producing electric cars and other vehicles. Its innovation is aimed at making electric cars cheaper. This battery might become a solution to bring down battery prices, which diminishes a significant portion of the overall costs in manufacturing electric cars. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe for more interesting videos.